How you can enable Meta AI on your Facebook. So first thing first, let's open the Facebook app, and once you open the Facebook app, just search for the Meta AI in Facebook in search bar. So once you search it, now you can see there is Meta AI options on in the screen, and you can also see Meta AI profile at the bottom of this section. So just select this one, and once you tap on it, you can see there is message options on in the screen. So you simply need to enter the message option, and yeah, you simply need to chat something or enter something in here, and yeah, you will be able to enable your Meta AI on your Facebook successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to enable your Meta AI on your mobile phone, I mean Facebook. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.